वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। तो कैसे हो दोस्तों? गुड मॉर्निंग हर्षित, आकाश, गुड मॉर्निंग। आयुष इज सेइंग लास्ट क्लास में जो बीएमडी बनाया था उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक लग रहा है। ओके, देख लेते हैं आयुष क्या मिस्टेक है, अगर है तो। चलिए, रेडी हो सब लोग? तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। आई एम योर फ्रेंड ऐश्वर्य, used to teach you for GATE ESE. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering, batch 11-13, and BTech from Jamia Millia Islamia, batch 7-11. 4 times I have qualified GATE with my best AIR 226, and I do have 6+ years of teaching experience and 2 years of industrial experience. So these are the subjects, my friends, which I basically take on Unacademy official YouTube channel as well as on Unacademy Plus, theory of structure, RCC, and geotechnical engineering. And my dear friend, this is a code which one have to apply before buying any Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, so by using this code, my dear friends, directly you will be getting 10% off on your Unacademy Plus subscription. And this code is valid not only for GATE and ESE but also for various other competitive exams like Bank Engineering Services, SSC JE, CAT, IIT JE, UPSC Civil Services, etc. So basically all the courses which is offered by Unacademy, you will be able to use this code and you will be able to get 10% off on your subscription. Okay. So these are the things, benefits of the Unacademy Plus subscription, like daily live classes you are having here, crash courses are ongoing, rank improvement batches are there, weekly tests are there, dedicated doubt clearing sessions are there, and courses are running in both the languages, in English as well as in Hindi. Is it clear? Okay. And apart from this, my dear friends, you will be getting a very good learning interface where you can interact with educators. Okay. So welcome to the session number 40th. So it is the 40th session, and yes, many of you keep asking the schedule. So when is your next class? When FM next class is there? So for that, what I have done, I have placed the September schedule here for all the educators of our team. Okay, so you can go through it, and here correction of name is there in place of Vishal Soni sir. It is a printing mistake. Kshitiz sir. Okay. मुकेश इज सेइंग सर आरसीसी के क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस की क्लास रखिए सर प्लीज। ओके मुकेश, रखते हैं। मंडे से स्टार्ट करते हैं, आरसीसी का प्रैक्टिस सेशन भी स्टार्ट करते हैं, डोंट वरी मुकेश। ओके, और कोई रिक्वेस्ट और कोई सेवा बताइए। ओके चलिए आरसीसी का सेशन रखते हैं। ओके चलो। सो अनाउंसमेंट, मेजरली अनाउंसमेंट इज कवर इन दिस स्लाइड ओनली कि कौन कौन से फैकल्टी कब कब क्लास ले रहे हैं। एंड इन अनाउंसमेंट आई एम गोइंग टू कीप नाउ स्पेशल सेशंस। ओके, सो स्पेशल सेशंस का जो भी अपडेट होगा मैं आपको बताता रहूंगा अंडर द सेगमेंट ऑफ अनाउंसमेंट। ठीक है, एंड जस्ट अ क्विक समरी। सो यस्टरडे वी हैव स्टार्टेड स्वे एनालिसिस। Yesterday we have started sway analysis. Okay, and there is a suggestion from Ayush. सर इन लास्ट क्लास आपने जो BMD बनाया था, I think some mistake was there. So which BMD you are talking about? Which BMD you are talking about? लास्ट क्लास का BMD बता रहे हैं. ओके देखते हैं. Are you talking about this BMD? Is this BMD you are talking about? क्या मिस्टेक लग रहा है आपको इसमें? Yes, MBC was positive. Okay. Yes. Yes, Ayush is right. Ayush is right. Yes, this MBC was positive. Okay. And it is also positive. Yes. Good, Ayush. So it would not be like this. So let me write those values again. Minus 4.22. Okay, give me this value. Minus 4.22, minus 4.22, plus 4.22, and 29.86. Yes. So please give me this value. I am opening today's file. Nice observation. So today also we will be continuing with sway problem. So what was the values? MAB minus 4.22, minus 4.22. MBC was equal to how much? 4.22. And what about MCB? MCB कितना था जरा याद दिलाइए. $29.86. Okay. Yes. MBA पॉजिटिव आ रहा था क्या? चेक करो. यही आंसर था. So it is negative. आकाश कह रहे सर मेरा तो पॉजिटिव आ रहा है और MBC नेगेटिव आ रहा है। अरे यार देख ही लो अब जरा। देखो ये वैल्यूज ठीक थी हमारे पास। So now place this value here. ओके एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं देख ही लेता हूँ जरा। एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ। Yes, yes, exactly. It was positive. मीन्स जो कल बनाया था वो सही था, जो कल बनाया था वो सही था, बट मैं खुद बोल रहा हूँ गलती से सही था, क्योंकि कल मैंने एमबीए को नेगेटिव लिखा था। इट शुड बी पॉजिटिव एंड इट इज अगेन नेगेटिव। ओके, यस। So BMD what I have drawn yesterday was perfectly fine, but these values were not correct. So left में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट में क्लॉकवाइज नेगेटिव, लेफ्ट में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट में क्लॉकवाइज like this, and there is a UDL. हाँ, तभी मैं कहूँ कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मैं गलत लिखने के बाद सही डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ। तो कल मेरे माइंड में कहीं ना कहीं सही वैल्यूज होंगी, बट आई डिड ए error while writing those values. Yes, correct. This value was I guess 32 and this 29. Okay, okay. So diagram was correct, my dear friend. I used diagram was correct. Error was in writing the values of and moments. Yes. Okay. चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. So let's proceed to next question. स्वे के ऊपर करते हैं. ओके. ओके. EI is constant for all. EI is constant for all. And friends, you have to calculate end moment and draw bending moment diagram. Calculate end moment and draw bending moment diagram. Okay. So you know that this frame is going to sway. So on which side it is swaying? Towards right or towards left? Tell me. On which side it is going to sway? Yes, towards right. Good. Okay, great. So now tell me. Okay. So now tell me the end moments. So how I'm going to tackle such problem? How I'm going to tackle such problem? See, fixed end moments. So values of fixed end moments are MFAB 0, MFBA 0, MFBC minus 16 into 1 into 4 square upon 5 square. Tell me how much it is and tell me what about MFCB. Tell me, give me these values. 16 by 25. 16 by 25. Give me this value, my dear friend. Minus 10.24, okay. What about MFCB? 2.56, okay. Okay. Okay, great. So now I am writing these slope deflection equations. So total, its kinematic indeterminacy here is 3. Theta B, theta C, and you know sway will also be there. So delta B and delta C and axial effects are to be ignored. So I can say delta. Okay, common value. It is delta. Is it clear to all? So now my dear friends, here what you can do now. First of all, let me write the slope deflection functions. So it will be M AB is equal to 2EI by 5 bracket theta B. So the tentative deflected shape of this frame would be like this. This is the tentative shape. I don't know the exact one, but yes, since you all are agreeing that sway is going to occur toward right, and this delta are same. So there is a differential settlement between the support A and B. So it would be like 3 delta by L. Give me the sign here. Give me the sign. Plus or negative. Give me these signs. Okay, in sequence. First, second, third, fourth. So no delta component will come here. Yes, all of you are right today. Yes, good. Negative, negative. And what about this? No delta is coming because in B and C, so these level are same. So these level are same. So there is no differential settlement. So we can say that delta would be 0 there. So delta component is not going to act here. Similarly, MCB, MCB is how much? It is 2.56. Yes, आयुष ने तो पूरा बोल दिया, सभी में नेगेटिव. वेरी गुड. आज तो सही पटक देता अगर आज पॉजिटिव भी बोल देता तो. सीडी के बाद अब आखिरी बचा है डीसी. अच्छा, मैं जब आपको यहाँ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा रहा हूँ तो जानबूझ के डायमेंशन आसान ले रहा हूँ ना. 5 5 5 है ना. जब ऑब्वियस सी बात है आपको ईएससी वगैरह में क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे तो ये इतना डायमेंशन सिंपल नहीं रहेंगे. अभी कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाए, कंसेप्ट बिल्डअप हो जाए, इसलिए मैं ये आसान डायमेंशन लेके चलता हूँ. ओके, so there are total 6 relation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and unknowns are 3 here: theta b, theta c and delta. Theta b, theta c and delta. So now two equations you all can form. Everybody of you know is knowing that net moment at B is going to be equal to 0. Net moment at C is equal to 0. Means MBA plus MBC is equal to 0 and MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay? So now first of all let me create these two equations. So MBA plus MBC, MBA plus MBC. So it is minus 10.24 plus 2EI by 5 bracket this quantity. Okay. So here what can I write? That MBSA plus MBC is equal to 0. So it is minus 10.24 for theta B plus theta C. Okay. So it is going to be for theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta by 5 is equal to how much? 10.24 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. It is 25.625 upon EI. So this is actually my equation number 1. This is real equation. Similarly, if I am targeting MCB plus MCD is equal to 0, so there what can I write? MCB plus MCD. MCB plus MCD. So 2EI by 5 I can take common. So it is theta B plus 4 theta C. It is theta B plus 4 theta C minus V delta by 5 is equal to minus 2.56 minus 6.4. So this is my equation number B. ओके, क्लियर है कि नहीं है? ठीक है, चलो गुड, कईयों ने सॉल्व कर लिया ना? ठीक है, कितना आ रहा है? 25.625 और ये माइनस 6.4 अपॉन ई आई. ओके, छोड़ो, यहाँ पे रहने देते हैं. नाउ दी थर्ड इक्वेशन. थर्ड इक्वेशन के लिए मुकेश भाई बोल रहे हैं कि सर एच ए प्लस एच डी 0 कर दो. एब्सोल्युटली. So third equation. Obviously we will be needing third equation because total variables are 3 here. So for third equation, what Mukesh is suggesting, that summation of lateral forces is equal to 0. Means HA plus HD is equal to 0. Why 0? Because no horizontal force is acting on our frame. Okay. तो ये तो चलो हो गया. अब how can I convert HA and HD in terms of theta B, theta C, delta and all? So this is the point now. If I want to express HA, then I have to consider the equilibrium of this vertical member. Okay. If I want to consider this member CD, then I have to consider the equilibrium of this vertical member. For HD, I have to consider this. Is it clear? So my dear friend, let's see. First of all, let me draw the free body diagram of this frame in terms of my unknown forces. Then we can solve the things. So I am redrawing my structure. So this is frame. Photo क्यों जा रही है बार-बार? This is frame. Okay. So A, B, C, D is here. So totally here you can tell that the number of unknown will be this one, this one, this one. Okay. This one, this one, why I'm drawing all the members movements in clockwise direction? Because they are unknown for me, and by default I'm assuming every unknown as clockwise. Okay, and let's come here. You can see all the direction of movements are clockwise. Okay, in the last, whatever is going to come anti-clockwise negative, we will keep it anti-clockwise. So this is HD and this is HA. Okay, and this is A, B, C, and D. Okay, is it clear to all? Is it clear to all, my dear friends? Tell me. Any doubt so far? Okay. Now I have to express HA, HD in terms of theta and delta, and the way to reaching theta and delta is MAB, MBA, MCD, and MDC. Okay, because these are the terms which are the function of theta and delta. Okay, so if I want to write the expression for HA, then what can I write at HA position? It is 5 meter. It is 5 meter. See, whatever task we did yesterday for that question only in single column, the same thing we are going to repeat it today for both of these vertical members. Okay, so let's see now. If I am doing summation of mz is equal to 0 at B left leg. So what can I write here? I can write minus HA into 5 minus HA into 5 plus MAB plus MBA is equal to 0. So you can say that HA is equal to MAB plus MBA divided by 5. Is it clear? MAB plus MBA divided by 5. And similarly, if I want to write the expression for HD in terms of MCD and MDC, then what can I do? I can take the moment of the forces about C. About C. So if I am doing again performing the summation of MZ is equal to 0 at C on the right leg, then it's minus HD into 5 plus MAB plus MBC, not MAB, MBC, MAB plus MBC is equal to 0. CD and DC. So HD is coming out to be MCD plus MDC upon 5. So whatever direction you are assuming for HA, so it is not going to make any difference. Okay. Suppose if you are taking HA rightward and HD leftward, then the equation would be HA minus HD is equal to 0. And whenever you are writing HD, so in that case, this thing will also be clockwise. So HD here will become automatically become negative. Okay. So direction, assumption of the direction is never be a issue. Okay. So HA and HD known to you. Okay, Mukesh, we will confirm good. So the equation was HA plus HD. Since no horizontal force is present there, so HA and HD is there. So it can be written as MAB plus MBA divided by 5 plus MCD plus MDC. Okay, whatever you are doing, you are only writing HA plus HD is equal to 0. This is a shear equation. So now you can write here that here MAB plus MBA plus MCD plus MDC, the all is equal to 0. So MAB plus MBA is how much? Uh, 2 EI by 5, 2 EI by 5, 3 theta B minus 3 delta by 5. Okay. So it would be MBA plus MBA is how much? 2 EI by 5 take common. So 3 theta B minus 6 delta by 5. It is 2 EI by 5. I am adding these two. How much is 3 theta B minus 6 delta by 5? यस महिमा शेयर इक्वेशन लेते हैं शेयर मतलब जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका स्वे हो रहा होता है उसी डायरेक्शन के फोर्सेस को इक्वेट करते हो आप लोग फॉर एग्जांपल इट वाज क्वाइट क्लियर हियर that this way is going to happen in the lateral direction in the x direction so that is why I am considering forces along x direction कि जितना भी फोर्स अनबैलेंस रहा होगा अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा स्वे हुआ होगा अकर हुआ होगा है ना तो कल को अगर मेरे पास बीम के अंदर स्वे हो रहा है अगर मेरे बीम के अंदर स्वे हो रहा है so in that case I am going to equate summation of Fy is equal to 0. Okay, so it's not horizontal force, it is the direction of sway, it is the summation of forces in the direction of sway. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So what about MCD plus MDC? So MCD plus MDC is again 2 EI by 5. Okay. So it's 3 theta C. Hi, कैलसी से करोगे माइनस यस कैलसी से करो भाई तो क्या इक्वेशन आया मेरे पास so the final equation is take 2 EI by 5 common so 3 theta B plus 3 theta C minus 12 delta by L. चेक करना इक्वेशन सही है क्या प्लीज चेक इट वंस is it right equation Mukesh please check it okay so now solve this equation and it was the earlier equation okay so now let me write all these three equations together in order to get the value of so first equation is what was the first equation same equation okay all of you are getting the same equation so it is 4 theta B plus theta c minus 3 delta by 5 is equal to कितना था, कितना आ रहा था, 25.625, 25 to 6.5. So 3 theta b plus theta c. So these are the three equations. Yes, these are the three equations, and on solving these three equations, whatever you are getting. So today I have calculator with me. Okay, so it is three equation, 4, 1, minus 0.6, 1, 4, yes, Ayush is right, Mukesh is also right. So theta b is 8.08 4 upon EI. Theta c is minus 2.59 upon EI, and delta is 6.866 upon EI. So on solving this equation in our original slope deflection equation, so what are going to be the values? Tell me. MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD, MDC. So tell me all these values. So Mukesh has given answer long back. So okay. Yes. So Mukesh is right. Mukesh is right. Actually, this problem I have taken from R.C. Hibbeler, and the correct values are 5.1.57, 4.79, minus 4.79, 3.71, minus 3.71, and minus 2.63. Yes, so it is right. Absolutely. Okay. So 1.56. 7 लिख देते हैं. 4.79. बुक वाली वैल्यू लिख देता हूं जो एकदम एग्जैक्ट है. माइनस 4.79, 3.71, minus 3.71. बट बुक में ये क्वेश्चन मूवमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड से सॉल्व किया है, तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, इसको स्लोप डिफ्लेक्शन से हमने सॉल्व कर लिया, तो आंसर तो वही रहेगा खैर, minus 2.63. So these are the final end moments, and now my dear friends, we can plot the bending moment diagram. So how do you want me to solve this bending moment diagram? From basics or from short technique? Short technique I think you all will be able to do. So what is short technique? Let's see it quickly. The short technique is, okay, so left में clockwise is negative, this is positive phase, this is negative phase. Okay, so this is positive and this is negative. So after that what we can do, left में clockwise negative. Okay, negative means below the reference, although it is giving you sagging. 4.79 minus 4.79, 3.71 minus 3.71 minus 2.63. So it would be this one, this one, and this one. So नीचे वाला side positive, and now superimpose simply supported beam BMD. So simply supported beam BMD is how much? Point load was there 16. So what was the BMD here? So if it is a simply supported beam, 16 is there. So what is the reaction? So 16 into 1 by 4. So it is 4. 16 into 1 by 5. So minus RB into 5 plus 16. So 3.2. It is 3.2. And it is 12.8. 12.8. Okay. Yes. So bending moment would be 12.8 like this. Okay. So let me plot this. So these values were okay. So here the positive is winning. This will be cancelled. So it is negative. It is also negative. It is negative, positive, negative, positive. So this is the, you can say, final BMD. So total contraflexors are 4 here. So 2 on the beam member, 1 each on the column member. Okay, so these are the contraflexors. Is it clear to all my dear friends? Tell me. So do you want me to plot it by basics or you can do by your own? So from basics you want me to draw or you will try by your own? Tell me fast. डायग्राम में 2.68 कैसे? Yeah, it is 2.63. See, my dear friend, MDC. Plot it like this. This is C, this is D. So it is left, it is right. तो लेफ्ट में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज आता है ऊपर, लेफ्ट में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज आता है ऊपर, ऊपर बनाया, राइट में क्लॉकवाइज ऊपर आता है, तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज क्या आएगा? नीचे आएगा. So upside diagram is having negative sense, and so downside diagram would be having positive sense. This is one way of thinking. Another way of thinking is that, see, MDC is anti-clockwise. So this is your member, and you are applying here an anti-clockwise moment. So just see, at this section, due to this anti-clockwise movement, what is going to happen? Sagging is going to happen. So sagging is positive, so that's why I'm creating here the positive sign. Okay, okay, okay. So खुद से try कर लोगे तो very good, है ना? तीनों members को अलग अलग करके solve कर लेना. So let's proceed for next question then. So next question is the interesting one. Next is the interesting one. TI सेम ले लो. ओके, देखते हैं. Okay, take EI is constant and give me the end moment. Take EI constant and give me the end moment. लेंथ तो दिया ही नहीं है ना, कोई पूछ रहा है. सेम ही लेंथ ले लो भाई. हाँ, अब पूछा आकाश ने. ओके, यस। ये क्वेश्चन एक बार में सही कर ले जाओगे तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा कभी भी, नो कंफ्यूजन। चलो मैं भी सॉल्व करूं क्या? 10 मिनट तो ज्यादा है। चलो ठीक है, मैं बोलता रहता हूँ। अननोन 3 होंगे। So these three will be the unknown, and आप ना रामामूर्तन वगैरह से ऐसे ही और क्वेश्चन ट्राई कीजिएगा। मैं तो कंसेप्ट समझाने के लिए आपको इजी डाटा दे रहा हूँ, वरना हो सकता है ये 2 EI हो, ये EI हो, ये EI हो, लेंथ अलग हो। So I'm drawing the tentative deflected shape. आप लोग करते जाइए, सबको पता है क्या करना है। बस एमसीडी का साइन बता दो एक बार, एमसीडी का साइन क्या होगा? What would be the sign of MCD? Plus. Very good. क्यों होगा प्लस सी? This system is trying to rotate in the clockwise direction, so retaliating movement will be in the anti-clockwise direction. And if we are considering this vertical member CD, its tendency is to being rotated in the anti-clockwise direction. So the preventing movement has to come in the clockwise direction. So clockwise is positive here. Very good. So after that, similar work to be done. So this is equation number 1, relation 1, relation 2, relation 3, relation 4, relation 5, relation 6. So all these 6 relations are here, and after that what we have to do, total 3 unknowns are present here, theta b, theta c and delta. Okay, so first what you can do, theta b plus theta c, MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. Second is MB MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. So these are the 2 equations, and the third equation would be, you all know, suppose this is HA and suppose this is HD. You can assume HA and HD in whatever direction. So HA plus HD is equal to 0. HA, third equation is HA plus HD is equal to 0. So you all know how to write MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. You all know how to write MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. And while writing HA plus HD is equal to 0, my dear friend, whenever you are doing HA plus HD is equal to 0, so what you can do there, you can express HA in terms of MAB and MBA by taking the equilibrium of this vertical member AB. Okay. Similarly, yes, Mukesh, you have taken HD at the left hand side, but you can take HD rightward as well. Huh? So whenever you are doing the equilibrium of this vertical member CD, in that case you can write it is clockwise, and you can express this HD in terms of MDC and MCD. Okay. So by keeping all those things, you will be getting 3 equations and try to solve them. Okay. Is it okay, my dear friends? So now give me the final equations. Okay, give me the final value of moments. Now you can take 2 to 3 minutes of time. Okay, so now solve these. Take 3 minute time, fast. Okay, so I took a short break. Yes, now I'm seeing your comments. Okay, so theta b is clockwise. So tell me one thing, do you want me to write all these three equations? So this is equation number A, equation number B, and this is equation number C. So on solving all these three equations, you would be getting theta B 42.66 upon EI. Okay, theta C minus 42.66 upon EI, and delta you can say delta B and delta C. कितना आना delta 85.33 upon EI. So सही है ये वैल्यू. सॉल्व करूं क्या मैं पूरा? Shall I solve it? सॉल्व करूं? Tell me fast. Yes, answer is correct. So Ayush Garg, answer is correct. If a anti-symmetrical frame is loaded with symmetrical loading, then yes, moments value would be same at all the ends. So final is MAB minus 10.66. Good. MBA is how much? 10.66. MBC minus 10.66. MCB plus 10.66. MCD minus 10.66 and MDC plus 10.66. Yes, very good. And if I want to draw the bending moment diagram here, so it can be drawn by I'm using superposition principle. So end moments are A, B, C, D, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. So minus 10.66 is above the reference, plus 10.66 minus 10.66 plus 10.66 minus 10.66 plus 10.66 and this BC will be loaded with the UDL as well. So the intensity of the UDL is 24. So maximum bending moment will be WL square by 8. So 24 into 16 by 8. So it is 48. So it is 48. Okay. So 48 is not the final answer. So final answer is, see, this would be cancelled. So here negative is winning. Here negative is winning. Here negative is winning. Here negative is winning. Here positive is winning. So maximum positive bending moment would be this 48 minus 10.66. Okay. So this is the value. So this is a BMD by superposition principle, and you can draw by basics as well. Okay. So now I think you all are comfortable in taking the direction of movement due to delta, and you are comfortable in solving the equations and all. So let's keep up to here only in today's session. Okay, I'm giving you one question for assignment. EI is constant. Okay, so analyze it. हर्षित यार, आजकल के जमाने में कैसी बातें कर रहे हो यार। जो भी कैलकुलेटर है उसका मॉडल नंबर नेट पे डालो, यूट्यूब पे देखो कैसे होगा। सी ओके, देखो आयुष, वैसे तो आउटवर्ड को पॉजिटिव, इनवर्ड को नेगेटिव ले लो, आसान तरीका ये है। बट देखो मैं कैसे करता हूँ, मेरे लिए जैसे मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसको कैसे काउंट करूंगा, ए बी सी डी, ये है ए बी, ये है बी सी, ये है सी डी, ए बी। जैसे बीसी देखो, बीसी में क्लियर है कि ये पॉजिटिव फेस, ये नेगेटिव फेस। तो बीसी को अगर एंटी की तरफ घुमाओगे तो पॉजिटिव फेस आएगा, और क्लॉक की तरफ घुमाओगे तो नेगेटिव फेस आएगा। सिमिलरली इफ ए बी इज देयर, तो ए बी को अगर एंटी की तरफ घुमाओगे तो पॉजिटिव फेस, ए बी को क्लॉक की तरफ घुमाओगे तो नेगेटिव फेस। सिमिलरली इट इज सी डी, सी डी को अगर एंटी की तरफ घुमाओगे तो पॉजिटिव फेस, और यहाँ की तरफ घुमाओगे तो नेगेटिव फेस। तो लाइक दैट मैं करता हूँ। क्लियर है? Yes, Akash. Yeah, friction moment will be 0 here, and HA plus HD is plus 60 is equal. If you are taking HA and HD in this direction, then the equation would be HA plus HD plus 60 is equal to 0. If you are taking HA and HD in the inward direction, in that case you have to write HA plus HD is equal to 60. Okay, it's up to you in what direction you are assuming HA and HD. Okay, so this is an assignment for you. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday, I will take one more problem on sway, and then I will start movement distribution method. Okay, I'm going to take one more problem on sway, and I will start moment distribution method. And from slope deflection method, guys, solve one more question. This is assignment number 1. So now see the assignment number 2. This assignment number 2 is not sway problem. Okay, this assignment number 2 is not sway problem. It is a box, and on box four forces are acting: downward, upward, leftward, rightward. Okay, so it is, let's say, 8 kilonewton per meter. It is as well 8 kilonewton per meter. It is 16 kilonewton. It is 16 kilonewton. So length is 1, 2, 1 meter, 2 meter, and this side it is 4 meter. EI you can take same. EI is constant. Okay, so you have to tell me the end moments A, B, C, D. I will solve this question, but I will solve it by moment distribution method. I will solve it by moment distribution method. It is non-sway problem. You can see summation of forces are 0 here. So sway is not going to occur here. So it is non-sway problem. So theta A, theta B, theta C, theta D, 4 unknowns. Okay, so calculation is lengthier, but concept is easy. So what is the equation? MAD plus MAB 0, MBA plus MBC 0, MCB plus MDC 0, MDC plus MDA is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the equations. So for equations for unknown, you can solve it quickly. If you want to solve it very quickly, then what you can do? You can take the advantage of symmetry. So here theta A and theta B will be same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Theta D and theta C would be same due to the symmetrical loading and arrangement, but their direction would be opposite. So if you want to solve these 4 equations very fast, then simply keep theta A as minus theta B and theta D as minus theta C. So substitute this, you will be getting the value of theta A, B, C, D very quickly, and then you will be able to find the value of MAB, MBA, MBC like that. Is it clear? हाँ. So मैं इसको moment distribution से solve करवाऊंगा, but I need answer from you guys tomorrow or on Monday. So 2 questions I am giving you. It is on sway. It is sway problem. Okay, and it is non-sway problem. Okay, so these 2 questions you have to do. So कल का ऑफ है आपका, ठीक है. अच्छा, कल टेस्ट रखना है क्या? कल टेस्ट रख लें on slope deflection method. Tell me fast. हाँ आकाश, इसमें 4 अननोन है तो क्या दिक्कत है, हो जाएगा ना? चलो कल टेस्ट रख लेते हैं. और मुकेश कह रहा है आरसीसी का क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस. तो यस, आरसीसी का क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस भी रख लेते हैं, है ना? आरसीसी का क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस अभी 1-2 दिन बाद रखेंगे. तो कल रख लेते हैं हम सोम का टेस्ट. नॉट सोम, सॉरी, टॉस. सो टेस्ट ऑन टॉस. टाइमिंग बता दो, कौन सा टाइम? आप लोग जिन जिन फैकल्टीज को फॉलो कर रहे हो उनसे ओवरलैप ना हो टाइम, मुझे वाला टाइम बताओ. and platform will be special class only, no YouTube, only special class. Okay, YouTube टीम को मैं इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया कि कल टेस्ट है। आरसीसी का टेस्ट अभी प्रैक्टिस सेशन ही रखेंगे ना, आरसीसी का भी टेंशन मत लो, आरसीसी का भी प्रैक्टिस सेशन ही रखेंगे हम लोग, सेम टाइम। थोड़ा लेट रख लो यार, कल संडे आराम से उठूंगा सो के। 12 से रख ले, 12 से 12 to 1, सेम टाइम ही रखें। ओके सेम टाइम रख लेते हैं, ठीक है। सो अपना नॉर्मल टाइम 10 AM टू, एक काम करते हैं 11 से रखते हैं, 11 से। कल एक काम हो रहा है मेरे को, सो 11 AM टू 12 noon, ठीक है। 1 घंटा डिले करते हैं। किसी और फैकल्टी की क्लास तो नहीं है 11 बजे? 11 और 12, टेल मी फास्ट। 11 और 12, 11 AM और 12 AM। कभी भी रख लो। ओके देन आई एम गोइंग विथ 12 AM। ओके और 12 AM, how many of you are having issue? Tell me. 12 AM, how many of you are having issue? Okay. Final time then 11 AM. 11 AM. Okay. So I am putting it on the announcement portion. गुड डे भाई, मैं तो और लेवल पे चले जाऊं, पर वही है ना, पार्टिसिपेशन आपका चाहिए। आप लोगों का रिस्पांस मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं लेवल बढ़ाता जा रहा हूं, है ना। सो इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लर्नर्स दैट व्हाट दे एक्चुअली नीड फ्रॉम द फैकल्टी, है ना। आप लोग इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हो तो मुझे भी मजा आ रहा है अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन कराने में, है ना, वरना अभी तक तो मैं स्ट्रक्चर खत्म कर चुका होता। ठीक है, तो टेस्ट इज 11 AM टू 12:30 PM। 11 to 12 टेस्ट रखेंगे और आधे घंटा डिस्कशन, ठीक है। सो स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस एंड टॉपिक वुड बी डिस्प्लेसमेंट मेथड। ऑब्वियसली जहां तक अभी हमने कवर किया वहीं तक आएगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट मेथड। ओके बस कर दी ना छोटी बात, बीटेक की बातें करोगे अभी भी। बीटेक में नहीं आते नंबर भाई, बिल्कुल नहीं आते। और हमारे कॉलेज में जामिया से पास आउट हूं मैं बीटेक, और मुझे ये पता है कि स्ट्रक्चर का पेपर कैसे हुआ करता था। 20 मार्क्स के इंटरनल होते थे, 5.5 नंबर वाला टॉपर होता था, 5.5 5.25 नंबर वाला टॉपर हुआ करता था। सो वहां पे टीचरों का ईगो होता है, नहीं आने देते नंबर भाई। और हमारे टीचर थोड़े नॉलेजेबल ज्यादा थे तो उनका अलग ही एटीट्यूड रहता था। ओके मुकेश, आप मुकेश कौन से कॉलेज से, द्रोणाचार्य कॉलेज से हो क्या? चलो सही है। और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस क्या होता था, 11 से 12:30 टेस्ट, और आपका जो लैटरली लोडेड फाइल का जो सेशन चल रहा है ऑन जियोटेक, लैटरली लोडेड फाइल, मेरे काफी अच्छे दोस्त हैं वो सर्वज्ञ सर। ओके चलिए, तो मिलते हैं कल टेस्ट के लिए। फाइनल टाइम इज 11 AM एंड प्लेटफॉर्म विल बी स्पेशल क्लास। ओके, यूट्यूब पे नहीं होगा टेस्ट। ओके ओके, KNIT सुल्तानपुर, तो वहां पे आपको सर्वज्ञ त्रिपाठी सर कैसे मिल गए भाई? चलो करते हैं इस पे बात, है ना। So let's keep it up to here only. And if any of my friend is interested in Unacademy Plus subscription, which is having all those benefits like daily live classes, weekend test, rank improvement batches, crash courses, okay, and dedicated doubt clearing sessions and all, so he or she can download the Unacademy's learners app and select a goal, gate and ESC, and there apply my code as10 in order to avail 10% on your off on your Unacademy Plus subscription. And this code is also valid for other fields apart from gate and ESC like SSC JEE, bank engineering exam, UPSC, NEET, IIT JEE, UPSC civil services, etc. Okay, so thank you very much guys. This is our Facebook channel, this is our Telegram channel, and these are the various Unacademy's learners channels offered by Unacademy, and thanks a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Don't go out.